Hello, my name is Abdul Hasan. I have done BE in mechanical engineer, and one day my friend suggested Evision. Then I joined Evision and learned many things like Windows, networking, advanced networking, network security, and after that I am selected in Surflex Technology Pvt Ltd, and my package is 2.28. Evision team is very helpful, and every team is very supported. Uh, Thank you very much for Evision. This is the best platform. Again, thank you very much.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision. Join job.